Once you have created connections, you can then move on to creating a project. From the left-hand menu pane, select Projects. A project is used to store and structure our synchronization tasks. To create a project, click Create Project. Enter a name. Optionally, you can enter a description and company. And to automate our synchronization tasks, we can enable schedules. Once enabled, we can specify the days that we wish our sync to run on. We can specify a start time for our sync and an interval period. In this example, the sync will run Monday to Friday, starting at 1 AM and running every 24 hours. Click OK to create the project.